Welcome to Validation 3, Assignment B, Add or Create an Assignment. The goal is for you to learn the critical steps of using the plus Add or Create button to select an application to complete an assignment, which emulates a means by which teachers may assign work. To reinforce this goal, you will actually complete a plus Add or Create assignment, followed by completing the related quiz as a means to validate your understanding. To begin, navigate from the Classroom stream to the Classwork tab. All materials and assignments are organized under a topic created by your teacher. So topic, and assignments are down below. Under each topic, you'll find the teacher's materials needed for the learning experience. This may include the topic materials, videos, or assignments to assist your learning. For example, under the topic Validation 3, Assignment Submission, you will move down to Assignment B, Add or Create an Assignment, as an example of how a teacher may have included class materials. After clicking the Assignment B, you will see the instructions, and below the instructions, you will see learning materials. For example, you'll see a YouTube video and a validation quiz. To make sure you can view all of the learning materials a teacher may have uploaded for your learning, you must click on View Instructions, found at the bottom of the learning materials uploaded by the teacher. As you can see, after clicking on the Edit Assignment, it navigates to the assignment page, where you get a full view, including all of the learning materials for this particular assignment. On this page, you'll want to view the title Assignment B, Add or Create an Assignment, and below that, you'll find the point system. Below the possible points, you will see the instructions. It is important to remember here, you will need to follow these instructions to simulate what a future online teacher may have you do to complete an assignment. I am saying for this validation, you will need to complete this assignment after viewing the video. Begin by watching the video added below, paying close attention to the specific operational steps for completing and submitting the work. To complete the assignment, use the operations shown in the video to show you know how to add or create an assignment. And finally, finalizing the validation. To finalize what you have learned, you want to complete the validation quiz added below. Remember, I want you to actually complete this assignment as a means of practical application. While on this page, notice there is no rubric. As I noted in the last video, not all of your teachers will include a rubric, although the assignment page will include a place for you to make class comments and/or add a private comment to your instructor. This is where you will post any questions about your assignments that you may be unclear of. Now comes the important part of this validating assignment. Beginning in the upper right corner, notice Your Work, and below that, the plus Add or Create. Since your teacher didn't provide a template like what was shown in video 2, you need to add your work using the plus Add or Create button. This is the most powerful tool. It has two sections, Add and Create. The Add section is for your work you have already finished. You can attach a file from your Google Drive if you started it previously. You can share a link to an external website or upload a file from your computer. Let's take a look at these operations. From the Google Drive, you'll get this, and it's going to show you all of your Google Docs here. Or you can go to your Drive specifically and choose a particular document you want to upload. In this case, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to click it. And I'll get an add down at the bottom. I'm going to click the add, and you can see it's uploading it here. I'm going to go down and show you another way to put in a link. So this is a link, and you'll put your link in here. Let's say you want to do a website. So let's go to the SGU site. We're going to copy the URL here, and we're going to go back to the classroom, the link page, add link, and we're going to paste it in and add. And you can see it's adding it here, and there is the website. Let's do the next one, a file. This is going to go to your hard drive. You want to choose browse, and it's going to go to your computer hard drive, and you're going to find the document that you've completed that you want to upload for the teacher's view, or it could be your assignment that you completed using a Microsoft Word. I'm going to go ahead and click it, choose open, and you can see it's uploading it, and there it is there. So that is the add portion of your work, and its specific purpose is for you to upload a completed assignment or any other attachments that are a part of your assignment. I'm going to delete the add section so we can begin to look at the create section. I'm going to click on the plus add or create again. We're going to get the drop down, and you can see you have the options of creating with a Google Docs, a slides, a sheets, a drawings, and also a video, which is a new option. Docs is like Microsoft Word, slides is like PowerPoint, and sheets is like Excel, and drawing is like Microsoft's Paint, and video is a new option, or vids. For this task, you get to choose. Let's say you choose Google Docs. The file is automatically created and attached. When you click on it, you can begin your writing assignment. Once completed, you can choose the turn in. You'll be prompted and ask, is this really what you want to turn in? And you choose turn in. I'm going to cancel because we're still learning more about this. We can go back to the add or create, and this time choose a Google Slides. And that's if you choose to complete your assignment using a Google Slide. Again, it's generating it, uploading it, and we can open it up, and you can begin creating your assignment using a Google Slide. Again, when you're done, you're just going to close it out, and remember it's still there, and you can choose turn in. Now that would turn in both assignments, but for this Google Slide, you would choose turn in. Let's go ahead and try that, and let's see what happens. Turn in, and again, it's showing you got two attachments to turn in, asking you if that's really what you want to do, and you would choose turn in. Now I'm going to cancel that because I got more to say about this topic. While the create options are for you to begin an assignment, a critical difference is that you can come back and complete the create assignment later. So I can come back in after I leave the classroom and come back in. It's stored, it's saved right there under this assignment. I can go in and open it up. I can do more of my work. And when I'm done, I can turn it in. And this time we're going to get a pop-up that says, you got two assignments to turn in. Do you really want to turn them in? I'm going to go ahead and choose turn in. And you are completely done with that assignment. It goes off to the teacher for their evaluation. But you can also unsubmit those assignments. Let's say, oh, I forgot this. Choose unsubmit. And choose unsubmit again. And it reopened those assignments for you to add anything that you may have forgotten. And once you have done that, then you can choose turn in again. Or you can go back in, change them, what you forgot to put in, add to it, and then choose turn in again. Now, for what I want you to do, I'm going to cancel that. For what I want you to do, I want you to go through this whole process. I want you to choose the add or create, upload something from your hard drive, and also open up a Google Doc or a Google Slide and just open it up and just say, I have completed this assignment, or type something, I have completed this assignment. Okay, and then again, turn in, all right? And then again, you'll get the option. It's going to ask you, you got two things here, or to turn in, you're going to go ahead and choose turn in. Now it is time for you to show what you have learned by completing the assignment. Once you have completed this assignment, you will need to complete this validation by completing the quiz attached to the assignment B, add or create an assignment. I'm going to go ahead and pop open the quiz, and you'll want to answer the questions. I uploaded the video there for you to view again. Should you need it, you can stop, freeze frame it, and answer the questions if you need to, but the video is there for your assistance. Go down and answer all of the questions here, and once completed, you will choose submit. With this, I am hoping you have fulfilled the goal for you to learn the critical steps of using the plus add or create button to select an application to complete an assignment, emulating a means by which a teacher may assign work for you to complete. Should you need assistance with this validation, ask the person in charge of this orientation to assist you. Once completed with this assignment, you are ready to work on Validation 4.